Hi there. Let's make real soy tofu. Lowfodmap. Gluten-free. Vegan. Start with soaking 400 grams of dry soybeans overnight. Mine are already soaked. So let's make soy milk using slow juicer. For this amount of beans I'll use 2 liters of water. Use nut milk bag or cheesecloth to get pure milk. Cook it on low flame. Don't forget to stir. Take the foam off. Add 40 grams of vinegar when it's almost boiling. It will start coagulating. After 10 minutes, strain it. I'll use cheesecloth and tofu press. You can use strainer if you don't have tofu press. Let it cool down. Look at this beauty. Check my next video to see simple tofu marinade. Thanks for watching.